Welcome to Android phone tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to keep your Android phone from turning off. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first thing, you need to go to your settings as you see here. Then you need to go to your display. You will see timeout or sleep. Click on it, and from here I can only do 30 minutes, but you may have the option to click on never. So if this doesn't work for you, you can go to settings and go to about phone. Click your build number 5 times. As you see, a message came says no need, you are already a developer. Then if this message comes to you, you can go back and then go to system. From there, click on developer options and you'll see the option stay awake. So your phone won't ever fall asleep. Also, if none of these methods works for you, you can go to Google Play, as see here. Then search for app named Caffeine. Click on it and install it. After it's successfully installed, click on open. Then from here in the app, you can click on timeout and click on infinite as you see. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.